first time, Joe Alan Trinidad para sa FEU. LaSalle wins the tip and the Mall of Asia Arena is ringing, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Julian Sargent drawing blood for the Green Archers.
And what a way to score your first 2 points of the ball game. Up and under move in the air by Sargent.
Oh, but right away, 8-14 in the first quarter. Tolomia from outside. Yes, it's good. At least now they're holding a lead, Christian, by 5, 9-4 against LaSalle.
Well, if there's one thing that they're doing, as we see a monster dunk from Orizu coming from a beautiful pass from Tolomia. And this is one thing na, well, no, you have to give credit also to the management as well. That the people working behind the scenes.
Abida halfway point of the quarter, be inspired.
And if you're Geronte now, you want to get to the basket and create a nice three-point play. This is one thing, partner, na I think Geron has to do more. Get to the foul line.
After only putting up 10 points in their last game, 11 na agad, Geronte. First quarter pa lang tayo, but there's a basket. Arong, wala. Pangalawang miss na ni Arong yan from outside, but nice cut! Great pass mula kay Escoto, papunta kay Tolomia.
Foul. He's still in the ball game. Let's just hope that he doesn't commit this third.
Bello looking for his first basket, and he drains it! Back here at the Mall of Asia Arena, seeing defense here in the second quarter. But wow, Prince Navarro again making his presence felt. Back-to-back baskets for him, and those aren't easy shots by any measure.
5 versus 4 right now, partner.
Bamsi from the corner, yes! Get the last shot.
Nice pass.
Sargent. Oh, what a pass by Teng. Yun nga, everybody knew players aren't, doing well on the floor. What Teng is asking for in 8 seconds to shoot. He does not want a screen. Takes on Escoto and puts it in. Binabantayan ni Teng. Bello sidesteps and is rejected emphatically by Larry Muyang.
What a play by Muyang. I was about to say poor defense by LaSalle, pero walang poor defense kay Muyang. Nandito naman ako, sabi niya.
Again,
Watch out for the weak side. Inigo is wide open.
Arong for 3. And finally knocks it in after missing.
They usually go to Tolomia, but right now they go to Mac Bell on the post. Tingnan natin if he can deliver.
3 seconds. Achi Inigo as the shot clock expired. Nails a huge 3. Last second.
Domination by the Tamaraws. Rebounds 18-8, assists 8-1. That's not going to win you a basketball game if you're LaSalle.
Ball taken down by Sargent. Sargent cutting. Sargent reverse is good.
That's a nice pass right there by Conato. Had an open three, but had a more open. You gotta serve what you have, and right now, FEU breaking the press beautifully. Getting a nice open basket, reverse layup by Bello. And right now, it's going to be a long night for LaSalle, especially